Have you ever wondered what those little numbers on the pH scale actually mean? Maybe you've heard people talk about alkaline diets or how acidic lemon juice is. Today, I'm unlocking the secrets of the pH scale, busting some myths, and breaking down the chemistry so it just makes sense. Let's start with the basics. The pH scale runs from 0 to 14. 7 is neutral. Think pure water. Anything less than 7? That's acidic. Anything higher? That's alkaline, also called basic. But what does that really measure? It measures hydrogen ion concentration. More hydrogen ions, lower pH. Fewer hydrogen ions, higher pH. Simple, right? Here's where it gets wild. The scale is logarithmic. Every step is 10 times more intense than the last. Soda at pH 3, coffee at pH 5, that's a 100-fold difference. That's why your teeth don't love soda baths. Now let's bust a common myth. People say, I need to eat more alkaline foods to balance my body's pH. The truth, your body already expertly balances pH, especially your blood. If blood pH shifted even a little, your body would hit emergency brakes. Eating a lemon won't make your blood acidic. Stomach acid is far more powerful. Speaking of lemons, they're acidic outside, but once digested, they can have an alkalizing effect. It sounds backwards, but it's about how your body metabolizes food, not the food's own pH. Why care? pH matters for preventing acid rain, growing healthy plants, and keeping pools crystal clear. Even shampoo and soap are balanced on the pH scale to keep skin and hair happy. In the end, the pH scale is more than just a bunch of numbers. It's a window into the chemistry of our world. Understand it and you'll spot everyday chemical magic. So next time someone tells you to drink alkaline water, you'll know what's really going on. Stay curious, keep questioning. Remember, science is everywhere, even in a glass of water.